coming to my roller skating party?
Oh,
Yeah.
I wouldn't miss it for the world. Seguro que sí.
Good. Well, I gotta keep on practicing. I'm still a little bit shaky.
Okay.
See ya.
My pal Snuffy.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I'm okay. Oh, I wish I could say the same for your trash can. Sorry, Maria, I couldn't stop.
Oh, well, that's all right, Snuffy. It was an accident.
You take a dent out of your trash can.
Oh, Oscar.
There might not be a next time. Look at your skates, Snuffy.
Oh no, my skates, they're ruined.
Maybe my mom can fix them.
Hey, that's a good idea. Why don't we go ask Maria? Come on, Snuffy.
Oh, no, I don't think even a fix-it person could fix these skates.
Mom, look what happened to Snuffy's skate.
Oh.
Maria, do you think you can fix them?
I don't think so. I'm sorry.
Oh, no. I guess this means no skating party.
No, Bird, there's still gonna be a skating party. I just will be the only one not skating, that's all.
Oh, no.
Oh.
Snuffy.
It's okay, Snuff.
Maria, it's Snuffy's birthday today. Hey, Snuffy.
Whoa, these skates are the greatest. Thanks, Bird. This is my best birthday ever.
Well, that's what best friends are for, Snuffy. And we couldn't have had a skating party without you, old buddy.
For he's a
He's a jolly good fellow that nobody can deny.
Yay!
Happy birthday,
Snuffy!
Make a wish, Snuffy.
Let's see, a wish.
Yeah, wish.
Okay, got one.